How to hide a chat with someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide the chat with someone on WhatsApp. So to do that, first of all, open the WhatsApp on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where let's say I simply want to hide the chat with this person right over here. So in WhatsApp, there are basically two ways on how you can do that. The first one is you simply delete the chat with this person, and once you delete the chat, it will no longer show up over here, meaning you will have hidden that chat. But also remember one thing, that this will delete all the chat you have done with that person. So this method is not really practical. So aside from this method, there is only one way on how you can hide chats. That is by simply long press on their name. After that, simply archive them. Now once you have archived them, they will not appear on your main screens, so they are somewhat hidden. But if you want to view them, all you have to do is simply go to archived over here, and then you will be able to see their chats over here. Now that was the only way on how you can hide chat with someone on WhatsApp. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.